So the hair company that we'll be working with today is Klaiyi Hair. This is what their packaging box looks like. It comes with a scarf, an extra pair of adjustable straps, and the hair. Today we're working with a 4x4 closure and it's body weave, as you guys can see, and this is what it looks like. This is the inside of the cap. It's a standard cap construction, 4 combs and adjustable straps, and it also has a big scalp, so there is a little work to be done. This is what the lace looks like, and I'm checking now to see if there's any shedding, and I didn't get any shedding. Now, as you guys can see from the title, that today I'll be showing you guys how you can get that frontal look. So what I'm doing now is just carving out a C, and then I'm going to get my wax stick to lay the front of the hair flat with my hot comb. And that's pretty much all I did. The next thing that I'm going to do now is basically just to cut that thick part of the lace off, this section right here, before I install. That way it will ensure that the closure lay as flat as possible. So let's just install this. And I was just showing you guys right there that I made sure that the adjustable straps were tightened before I put the wig on my head. Now, as usual, for today's install, I'm going in with my Got To Be blasting spray. And if you must know, the blow dryer is on cool hair. You're supposed to know that by now. If you are usual on my channel, don't pay me any mind. But I love this wig because, like, I really didn't have to do much to it, because all I did was basically cut off that lace because it already comes with fake scalp. So there's literally nothing much to do with this wig other than curl it if you want to curl it. So after I lay the lace down, I'm just taking out back that section that I carved out earlier with the C, and I'm just going to get my Got To Be back. Usually I would have used my Sebastian holding spray, but I could not find it for the life of me. So I just made sure that I sprayed that down again with the blasting spray before I tied it down with my elastic band. So before I remove the elastic band, I'm basically going to go back in with my wax stick and hot comb to see if I can get the top a little more flat. Then I am basically just going to remove the elastic band and cut away the excess lace. And then I basically went ahead to lay my baby hairs, and that's pretty much all that I did for this install. So if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Until then, it's your girl Oli. Go and pick up yourself.